friends, this is Sunil and I welcome you all to our amazing skills, that is the channel dedicated for various skills, in which today's session we will be focusing on cartooning. I am extremely sorry friends, from last 2 months I could not upload any video on cartooning because of some unavoidable circumstances. So very big gap of 2 months. So to begin with, I'll just recollect the things which we have discussed in the previous session, that is 2-3 videos we have uploaded and we have discussed on cartooning. I'll just have a recap. So in the beginning session, I have mentioned that we should be able to draw a perfect circle like this or ellipse. We had drawn some features of the faces like ears, and we have completed a cartoon, a front face like this. This was our first cartoon. In the first session we have mentioned that there should be perfect shape, there should not be any irregularity, we should have sufficient practice on a zero or a circle. Then I have also mentioned in one video that to become a very good cartoonist, we should have perfect observations. We should observe the things purposely. What we should observe, that also we have discussed. We should mark the prominent features of the things. Say faces, on the face we have prominent features like nose, ears, hairs, neck, the eyes. These are some of the prominent features which we just exaggerate in the cartoon. So in the second episode we had worked on this various hairstyles. So hairstyle is one of the prominent features and we have various types of hairstyles. So in that also our base was a circle. By starting with a circle, then different faces we have drawn with different hairstyles. This was our second. So for example, we had one such type of hairstyles like this, different types of hairstyles, but our base was circle. Then thirdly, see friends, till now we are focusing on the front side of the face. We will be having some episodes on the side face, back side and another features. So today's episode also we will be focusing on the front side of the face. So in 2-3 episodes we have focused on only one, that is circle. Now in this session it is not necessary that we should have only one circle. To draw a cartoon in a better way, we can add another circle. Just I will demonstrate here. See, this is one circle and this is another circle. I have drawn 2 circles. By using these 2 circles, how we can create a magic? I will just remove this part. I have just removed the inner part. Then added here, we can add ear. Now you might have got the idea what is going to be. So here I can have ears, and then at this place I can add eyes like this. So with the help of 2 circles we have completed this funny figure. Dear friends, I will be focusing on in the coming episodes I will be focusing on various types of ears, nose or eyes. We will have some separate episode on that. So in this episode what I have done, I have just drawn 2 circles and completed this figure. So you can practice it instead of single circle by using 2 circles. Once you get enough practice, shall I rub this? Yes? Okay. Once you have enough practice, you can easily make like this. Here, like this, funny figures. So upper part is very small and lower part is very big. Now we will just reverse. I hope are you able to see this? Sufficient focus is there on this? Yes? Okay. Now I will just make the upper part quite big and smaller part equal. Okay. So in this case I can just this is also very funny figure by using two circles. Again a very big and very small figure. I will replace it by hairstyles like this. A small kid, like Chintu, correct? A very famous cartoon in Marathi. Then I will draw here very small and very big like this. So what can be done? Instead of making a single face, I will do here little chain and here I will just so you can feel it. So a very different face is created here by using this a small circle and a very big circle. Can you just imagine what is it? It is a person or kid having this mouth, is shouting. To complete this, I'll just complete it. I'll just then we'll just complete it. So this is complete. A very different type of picture we have completed. So dear friends, you have seen by using two circles, one small and very big, we have completed a very funny sketch, a boy shouting and running. So in this way we can have different effects. I will just make another sketch by using this same technique, that is one half circle and another half circle. Here actually there will be one separate episode for side, but since this figure I just recall this type of shape can be drawn by using such technique. So I'll add here. So now you can see this is side face. You can add any more things like like this, enjoying the cigar. You can add eye like this, or you can give fancy head like this. You can add the remaining things to complete this figure. So in this episode we have seen we can create a funny features or funny cartoons by using two half circles like this. So here you can give a cap like this, or you can give the spect. You can make it more funny by giving some mustache like this. So these are the various features added with the face. Again, I will draw 2-3 more sketches by using this technique. Again, I have drawn 2 half circles. One is from the upper side. So by observing this is a personality having a long face. So obviously his nose will be like this. Or we can make it using the spect. A gentleman with different hairstyles. We can add like this. So remaining things are very simple. Once you are focused, once you have got sufficient mastery on the faces. So in this session we have seen by using 2 half circles we can complete a very funny faces. In the coming episodes also we will be taking different activities by completing the body parts, some actions, movements, then sideway. We will be having some separate episodes on the women's, ladies or girls, different hairstyles, different faces. So thank you friends. Before conclude, I will request you, if you like my efforts, please give your likes and please subscribe to our channel and spread this channel to your friend circle so that this unique art of cartooning will be popular worldwide. So thank you friends, thank you very much. Have a nice time.